What's up, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you the top 3 altcoins that will make you rich in 2018. So to start off, this is just my personal opinion. This is not financial advice. Do not do what I'm doing. This is just my personal opinion. So first, I think the most important thing is you want to keep track of the circulating supply. I think a lot of people just ignore this and buy the coins that are hyped up and don't really have a reason behind it. But anyway, let's get into it. My first pick is Litecoin. And the reason why I actually hold Litecoin, these are coins that I'm buying and trading. So I'm not just telling you to buy a coin because it's hyped up. These are legit coins, in my opinion. So I have Litecoin. I bought Litecoin at 250. And I believe in Litecoin. I mean, it has the faster transaction speed of Bitcoin, and it's pretty much everything like Bitcoin except faster and better. So Litecoin's my first pick. My second pick is Steem. Let's see, where is it? And I don't know. I mean, people like Verge and all these other ones, but I just think they're way overhyped. There's no reason to have them. Just my opinion, though. So Steem, same supply as Litecoin, very similar, but way cheaper. So, and if you look at Steem, do your research on this, and I mean actually do your research. But you can see Steem is like a streaming platform, kind of like YouTube. And if Steem gets big, which you have a lot of people like Trevon James and Greg Rand, all the people who did BitConnect, they're moving on to these platforms to stream because they get paid in cryptocurrency. So if this keeps getting hyped up how it's getting, if more and more big YouTubers switch over to this is definitely, I can see this in the top 10 list easily. I can see it at $100. That's my second pick. My third pick is Sia Coin. If I can even find it. I know it's up here somewhere. Yeah, there we go. It's actually above Steem. Wow. So Sia Coin has a higher supply, but it's pennies, you know. But I would not buy right now. I mean, I would wait for it to pull back even more. I mean, I could see us dropping down. It's what, 3 cents, almost 4. I would buy it at probably 0.2. This would be my next buy if it drops down. And if this drops down like this, because this coin, you could use it as shop. I mean, it's pretty much, you can use it like Amazon. I mean, I'm not gonna get into real detail about it because that's your job if you're gonna invest in it. But if you want to buy this coin, you gotta have Coinbase first. Then you gotta transfer money into Binance or some kind of altcoin trading platform, because this coin is not out on GDAX or any of the main platforms yet. You have to go out. If you guys want to use Binance, I have a link in the description. That's what I use. And yeah, those are my top 3 altcoins that will make you rich. And if you guys want to do what I'm doing, I'm probably just gonna mine all my coins. That way, I just keep getting more. Mine's going pretty good, even though Bitcoin's down. I'm still, as you can see, I'm still slowly increasing, even though Bitcoin is just dropping down. Got 12 power, getting around $16 a day, 500 a month. It was like 600, 650. And this is just gonna keep adding up. So my $2,000 investment will bring me back around $6 grand this year. If you guys want to use Hashfare, I'll leave a link in the description. And yeah, on Hashfare you can even buy Zcash and Ethereum, which is more profitable than Bitcoin. If you guys want to know why, check out my other video. I explain why it's more profitable. There's no maintenance fees. But yeah, Zcash might be another buy, but Zcash is a little expensive, but who knows. Anyway, if you guys like these videos, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.